A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. On your video, students, sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Are you ready, children? Okay. What we are discussing? Yesterday, what we are discussed? Yes, we discussed about unitary method sums, unitary method problems. How to solve unitary method sums? First of all, we have to find out one of the cost. Next, many things cost. We have to find out many things cost. Okay. Exercise 5.1 completed. Yes, children, I hope exercise 5.1 completed. I given homework also, but anyone did not send me. Now I am going to explain revision exercise problems. Okay? Take out the textbook and running notes. Revision exercise. Okay, students. First one. From your textbook, first problem, write down, children. If you pack up three Palmolive soaps. Cost rupees 43.50, means 43 rupees 50 pice. Find the cost of five Palmolive soaps. Read the question, children. First, if you pack up 3 Palmolive soaps, in one pack, how many soaps are there? 3 soaps. 3 soaps cost is 43 rupees 50 pice. 3 soaps cost. 3 Palmolive soaps cost is 43 rupees 50 pice. Then we have to find the cost of 5 Palmolive soaps. How can we find out? First, we have to do multiplication. No, first we have to do division. First we have to find out one Palmolive soap cost. One soap cost. First of all, we have to find out one soap cost of one soap. Okay. Then we have to do multiplication. Then we find out the 5 Palmolive soaps. First, cost of 3 Palmolive soaps. 3 Palmolive soaps. Rupees 43 rupees 50 pice. Okay, 43 rupees 50 pice. Teacher, I think your phone problem, Amma. Once you log out and log in, Satvik ready. Once you log out and log in. Once again open the link. Once you log out and again log in. I think your mobile problem only. Your clarity is there. Okay, cost of 3 palm oil soaps. How much money? 43 rupees 50 pice. First we have to find out cost of 1 soap. Then we can find out 5 soaps cost. No. Cost of 1 soap. What we do? 43 rupees 50 pice divided by 3. Okay, 43 rupees 50 pice divided by 3. Do division. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 fours are 12. Next 13 minus 12, 1. Take 5. 3 fives are 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Next here 0 is there. So we can write here in quotient place 0. 14.50. Okay. In question 43.50. 43 rupees 50 pice. So we have to put point before 2 numbers. So 14 rupees 50 pice. 14 rupees 50 pice. What cost of 1 soap? Here cost of 1 soap. 1 soap cost is 14 rupees 50 pice. Next cost of 5 palm oil soaps. Rupees 14 50 pice into 5. Do multiplication, children. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25. 5 fours are 20. 22. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Next 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Satvik. I think Doolam Satvik. Once again check one. 72 rupees 50 pice. 72 rupees 50 pice. This cost is 5 soaps cost. 1 soap cost is 14 rupees 50 pice. 5 soaps cost. 5 soaps cost is 14 rupees 50 pice into 5. Then we have to do multiply. 72 rupees 50 pice. Okay. Cost of 5 palm oil soaps. ₹72 50 pice. Okay. Did you understand, children? Unitary method problems. How can we solve unitary method problems? If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. Once again, I will explain. Read the question first. Read the problem. First, you understand this problem. First of all, what given in question, what we have to find out from this problem. First, if a pack of 3 palm oil soaps cost. Here, 3 soaps cost given. In this question, 3 soaps cost given. Next, we have to find out 5 soaps cost. How can we find out first 5 soaps cost? First of all, we have to find out one soap cost. We have to find out one soap cost. How can we find out one soap cost? 43 rupees 50 paise divided by 3. Then we get one soap cost. What is the one soap cost here? 14 rupees 50 paise. Then we find out the 5 soaps cost. Multiply by 5. 14 rupees 50 paise into 5. What is the answer? 72 rupees 50 paise. Okay? Did you understand, children? Bhavani, did you understand? Akshaya, where you are listening? Are you listening? Okay, very good. Right on. Sharon, sit right, Amma. Sit properly, boy. Next from revision exercise only, write fifth one, fifth problem. What is fifth one? If 5 liters of if 5 liters of Sundrop oil cost rupees 315. Find the cost of 24 liters of the oil. Find the cost of 24 liters of the oil. Okay. First, we are given 5 liters of oil. 5 liters of oil cost given. How much given? 315 rupees. Okay, rupees 315. We have to find out cost of 24 liters of the oil. 24 liters of the Sundrop oil. Okay. First, what we do? Yes. First of all, what given in problem? First, we have to write steps. Cost of 5 liters of oil. 5 liters of oil, rupees 315. Okay. Then we have to find out first cost of 1 liter of oil. Okay. First we have to find out 1 liter of oil. What we do? 315 divided by 5. 315 divided by 5. Do division. Divided by 5. 5 6 30. 31 minus 30. 31 minus 30. 1. Don't write children. First listen. Afterwards you complete. Nirma, stop the writing there. Nirma, Bhavani. Next G Charan. G Charan, what are you doing, boy? Okay. Next, 5 3s are 50. Here, 1 liter cost is 63 rupees. Rupees 63. Okay. Next, we have to find out cost of 24 liters of oil. Cost of 24 liters of oil. Sunroof oil. What we do? We have to do multiplication. 24 into 63. 64 into 23. Yes. 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Next. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. Right, 12. 2. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is? Say anyone, 9 plus 8. Who know answer? Those members send message. Anybody don't know? Vignesh. That's very good. 17. 17. Okay? 1 plus 2 plus 1. 4. 1. Sorry, here 24 children. 4 4s are 16. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. 6, 8 plus 5, 13. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5, 1. Sorry. 63 into 24. Sorry, children. Okay. Now correct. Now do children. 63 into 24. Okay. Here 1 liter oil cost is 63 rupees. Here 24 liters of oil. Kamampati Harshat. Listen boy. Once again I will explain. Listen. Here in question 5 liters of sunroof oil. Cost given. How much given? 350 rupees given. Find the cost of 24 liters of the oil. First, cost of 5 liters of oil. How much given? We have to write in first step. Next, cost of 1 liter of oil. We have to find out cost of 1 liter of oil. What we do? Do division. 315 divided by 5. Do division here. We get answer 63. That 63 is 1 liter of oil cost. Okay, 1 liter of oil cost 63 rupees. We find out the cost of 24 liters of sunroof oil. 24 liters of oil cost we have to find out. How can we find out? 24 into 63 or 63 into 24. Multiply. Do multiplication. 4 3s are 12. Next 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Into. Next 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. 5 plus 6, 11. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5, 1. 1512. Not 21, 2112 is wrong, Amma. 1512. 1512, Bhavani. No need to point here. Here in question point not there. Rupee sign 5 is not given. Only rupees only given. So we have to write only rupees. Cost of 24 liters of oil. Equal rupees 1512. In these one, if you have any doubt, you raise your hand and ask me. Do you have doubts, children? No doubt. Next. Why are not writing homework? Yesterday I said you complete the exercise 5.1, but anybody not sent to me. Kamampati Harshat Gaud. Okay. Harshat, what is your doubt, boy? In your mobile also keep it unmute, Amma. What is your
టీచర్ డివిజన్ ఒక్కటే చేయాలా టీచర్ లేకపోతే మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ లలో ఇది చేయొచ్చా టీచర్?
We have to do first division, afterwards we have to do multiplication.
Okay teacher.
Why you are asking in Telugu, boy? How to ask in English you don't know?
No teacher.
You know?
No teacher.
Do you know or not?
No teacher.
Ask in
No
English.
teacher.
Okay? Okay, very good. Next. Anybody? You have any doubt also? You ask me. What happened, children? In Telugu class, 25 students are present. But now in my class, only 22 members are present only. What happened? Some children are not listening regularly. Shall I say names? Okay, I am not saying names, but tomorrow onwards, be regular children. Okay, don't absent. Daily we are taking attendance. Okay, today better than yesterday and day before yesterday. Today 25 members are present, but in my class only 22 members are present. Okay, don't absent children, be regular and listen carefully. And if you have any doubt, you call me in class time also, you ask to your teachers. Okay? Okay, I hope you yesterday not did homework. So today what I am giving homework, exercise 5.1 and revision exercise. From exercise 5.1 I explained 2 problems, and from revision exercise also I explained 2 problems. Remaining problems you complete and send me. Okay, then if you have doubt also, if you have any doubt also, you call me, then you ask me. In tomorrow class I will explain. Okay? Okay children, thank you children. Okay, welcome Bhavani. Thank you.